Well, as the weather turns colder, we're looking into ways for you to stay warm. And tonight, we're hearing from a heating company about the benefits of both heat pumps and traditional gas furnaces. Dominique O'Neill joins us now in studio with more. So, Dominique, what did you learn?
Well, Michael, I learned there are pros and cons for both heat pumps and gas furnaces, with one offering lower costs in the short term, while the other can provide longer-term rewards. Heat pumps versus a gas furnace. It's not exactly a heated debate, but David Oberfield, the president for Pew Heating and Air Conditioning Company, says there are key differences between the two that people should consider.
So the primary difference in a gas furnace compared to a heat pump is the fuel that it uses. So gas furnace obviously is going to use some sort of fossil fuel. Around here it's going to be natural gas. Or if you're out in the outlying areas, you're going to be more than likely on a propane system. Now the heat pump systems, it's all electric. So it's using an outdoor unit.
But there's more to consider. Electric heat pumps offer tax credits or savings to offset the cost.
All because you put a heat pump in does not mean that you're automatically going to get a $2,000 tax credit or up to $2,000. You got to pay attention to that. So whoever is installing your system and you want to take advantage of that tax credit, make sure they're giving you what they call an AHRI certificate that shows that it's high efficient and it matches the criteria that the government set forth to make sure that you get that tax credit. So it's up to $2,000 or 30% of the total cost of the installation. That's the rules of the tax credit.
I talked to Andy Scott, a homeowner who lives in Sylvania. He chose to go with the gas furnace, and he says he's noticed some advantages.
You know, you can shut off certain areas of your house, with the duct work and that, and control it. So there's advantages to that, which I don't think you can necessarily do with other types of heating. So I would say that's the biggest thing that I've noticed.
But Scott says he's open to trying the heat pumps and taking advantage of the tax credits in the coming years.
I'd be open to it, especially if it's going to cut my, monthly bills in the winter. So, whatever is going to be more efficient, not only for the environment, but also for my pocketbook.
Overfield says heat pumps can last 15 to 20 years with proper maintenance, while Carrier.com says a gas furnace can last up to 30 years with proper maintenance. Overall, make the best choice that will work for your family and your goals. Reporting in studio, Dominique O'Neill, WTO 11.